Good morning, good afternoon, good night. In this moment, in my home, near of the ocean, one airplane investigate this area. In this area, I see in the sky the fog object done identification. Yes. I'm sorry so much, but I don't working in the government, not. I finished my career, yes, of lawyer, but my all the photograph, so very real. This government and other government, I see people more government don't like the investigation, the object done identification, yes. In my life, I received two hurts, lose all in my life, but I'm sorry so much. I continue investigation. This airplane, this object done identification. I want to see the book and photograph, but don't respect my home, don't respect my person, don't respect anything. I have the constitution of my country and all coded too. I'm sorry so much, but I continue the investigation, the object done identification in Panama City. I have the pics, the videos. Yes. Good night, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you all my subscriptors in my channel of YouTube. I pay my internet, I pay my service. I don't have nothing. And the government don't respect, and I'm sorry so much. I denounce the corruption, I denounce this visit the airplane near of my house.